3 minutes since our last. I haven't got the time. It's been 3 minutes. It's been 3 minutes since our last lunch. It is 16:55. Get down, down, down!
Get down!
Oh no! No, no!
She's gonna kill my bitch!
Guys, look, it's a periscope, alright? So we can look out.
Yep.
Yeah, we're ready. I'm still filming. Yeah, I'm filming. I can see you. You're pumping.
You're bumping.
Oh!
It's a bit like having sex, what you just said.
Oh, yes. That was Max. Don't ever say
it was Loman's. It was not me.
Right, can everyone just shut up now?
Sorry.
I'm still looking at you, Len. That was Sam. That's what he does.
Yep.
We have left out in 3 seconds. Ew.